What's up, world? It's me, of course, yours truly. I'm about to show y'all how loud Chris is when he is asleep. He always trying to catch somebody doing something crazy. Well, this is a in-line video, so y'all can catch him. Notice as he sleeps, the sweat pools on his forehead. He's snoring so hard he's making himself sweat. And he is knocked out like a grizzly bear. Me and the kids wired up. Throw up the inline. Hit with the inline, Chris. Hit with the inline, Jason. Inline for real. Yeah. But this is going to be on YouTube. So we're going to put the CEO on blast because he always trying to put people on blast. Here you go. Live at 5.
Let me talk to me.
The inline kids.
And me. Me with my toy.
The gorilla. Grizzly.
I can see me.
Grizzly bear from the A.
Huh?
Knocked out.
Hey.
Over and out, inline. See y'all.
I can see me.